first we turn on the switch, and then power on. 把它到这边来吧 ，OK， and then
这个是搅拌。
we first heating before mixing, and this is for the switch of the mixing. OK，
直接开的。
不能直接开吧？
这个开关控制它的，就直接按这个开的。
Okay, so and then we can setting the temperature. There are three temperature: oil, bulk, and a valve. Okay, and then this button is for the heating on or off. That switch. So now it is off. When we turn this way, it is for the timing setting. Okay, for the timing settings mode. And for the time setting, we need to go here. Control box here. It's a time setting button, and we will give you the option menu. Options menu. You can set the time units. For example, every day from which o'clock, which time it will start heating. Okay. So this is one mode, and if we switch to this mode, it means that heating on continuously. Okay, heating on continuously. It is on and it is off, and this is for time setting heating. Okay, so this is heating button, and this is the valve heating button. This is the valve. All right, this is the valve. Okay, and this is for the oil heating button, and this is for the bulk heating button, bulk heating sensor. Okay, there are two temperature control for the heating oil and bulk, and another temperature control for this valve for the nozzle. Okay, and this is for the vacuum on and off. Vacuum on and off. When we use the vacuum function, we need join this connection. Okay, this connection, and here it is the vacuum gauge. You can check the pressure gauge here. Alright. So this is the working instruction for the buttons. Alright. And for the nozzle, this nozzle, you can turn this. Okay, for releasing the material. Okay. And then this one, it is very easy to be removed, and the valve you can take off for cleaning. Okay, and the other issue is that the 6 tanks are separately controlled. Okay, separately controlled. Okay. So that's the introduction of this melting tank.